Hello guys, what's up? I'm Harshit from Flutter Helper, and in this video we are going to build a coronavirus tracker app. It's a completely publishable app, and as a developer I have some experience and I recommend everyone to have this kind of app in your portfolio. As I said, it's a fully functional app, and here we are fetching data from three different types of API, and all the data we are fetching is a real-time data. The API we are using to fetch data for worldwide statistics, data gets updated after every 15 to 20 minutes, and for Indian statistics, data gets updated after every 7 to 8 hours, and for countrywise statistics, data gets updated after every 4 to 5 hours. As I am from India, I have separated out my country, and for India I have used different API. And if you want country other than India, for this just go to github.com and search your coronavirus tracker for whatever country you want. As a search API for coronavirus tracker for India, after after little bit search I found the API. Now if I tap on countrywise statistics, here you will find all the countries which is affected by coronavirus, and if I tap on any country I'll get all the details about coronavirus for this country. How cool is this? As it same goes for Indians. Here are all the countries which is affected by coronavirus, sorry, states. I've add one more functionality which is called URL launcher, and if I tap on Mythbusters, the app will redirect us to official World Health Organization Mythbuster page. Here are all the question answers and all the stuff we want to know. And as I said, it's a fully functional app. In the app, here I'll add icons and a beautiful splash screen. Now just wait for a second. I'll show you. Just wait. Here is the app icon, and when I tap on it, here is a beautiful splash screen. I assure you, after watching this video you can fetch any type of data from any kind of API. I'm going to explain every concept that is going to use in making of this app, but I'm not going to tell you the basic things like what is scaffold, container and list type. As it's a basic things, you if you want to know, you can read about this in a documentation. Flutter has done a great job in explaining this thing in documentation. I'll drop this link in description. If you don't know, you can find it. In material components, you will get all the details that you want to know. Now let's talk about the app. Here we are using a legendary theme. So first I'll explain you the approach we are going to take down this app. First we are using container as a body in scaffold, and inside container we are implementing row and align it to center. To provide our legendary color to home, I am using card. After this I am using another row for aligning this worldwide and Indian statistics, and here we are using future builder to fetch data from API, and inside future builder I am using card, and inside card I am using list style, and inside list style I am using row. And I am using different container and two different cards, one for Indian statistics and second for countrywise statistics. In the next video I'm going to tell you how to build the app. So if you like this video, like, comment and share, and stay tuned.